Alright, I'm going to get some sugar in the raw. Looks like I can't find it. Where's the sugar in the raw? This is really nice. I guess this is what you get when you're unprepared. Let me think here. Where is the stupid sugar? What is it doing in there? Alright. Sugar in the raw. I'm gonna get some cachaça. And it's a really nice Brazilian rum. Gotta find that too. There we go. This is probably the most popular one in Brazil. What I'm gonna be making tonight is a Caipirinha. Alright. And we need some lime. Alright. Let's see. Alright. You know, I've got another recipe online that I've done, or on YouTube. It's the Mojito recipe, and it's been quite controversial. People have watched me make it. You know, I get a lot of the same comments like, "Oh my God, you put ginger ale in it? That's terrible tasting. How could you possibly drink anything with ginger ale?" I mean, I know it's an extremely exotic ingredient. You know, a whole lot of people don't quite know what it is, but I assure you, it's not that disgusting. But anyway, I'm making a Prius tonight. It's it's a Brazilian drink. It's really good. I was going to put pear in it. I was going to make a pear one. I've got this recipe from Rumba, which is a good bar here in town. So this is a pear Caipirinha. So what I'm doing is I'm muddling about a half a lime, a little bit of pear, some sugar in the raw. Save a little piece for a garnish. So I'm going to muddle this. You know, and I've gotten better, you know, at making these types of drinks since I first started. You know, the mojitos, the Brazilian mojito, which, you know, is kind of what this is. It's actually the Brazilian national drink. It's really, really good. It's probably one of my favorites, especially the pear that I put in there. Yeah. I put about, 3 shots in there or so. Fill it up with some crushed ice. You know, I used to take out my lime and mint and stuff like that for the mojitos and these Caipirinhas, but I've kind of gone back to the traditional way. I know that it was really controversial on my last video that I strained out the lime and the mint. I'm not gonna do that this time. This is a really simple drink. It is, one of my favorites.